So f is being replaced by negative 22. And the v is being replaced by negative 5. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 5 is positive 20. So I've got negative 22 equals 5p. Add 20, and now I've got an equation to solve. Opposite of add 20 is to subtract 20. So negative 42 equals 5p. Opposite of multiply by 5 is to divide by 5. So I get negative 8.4. Speed equals distance over time. I want distance, which is speed times time. So the speed is 224. The time though, so the 20:07 train from Paris gets to Montpellier at 23:34. So that's 3 hours, 27 minutes. 3 hours is 180 minutes, plus the extra 27 is 207 minutes. (224 times 207). It's quite a large number, but because we were dealing with minutes and not hours, we need to divide by 60, which will bring it down to a sensible number for the length of France. 772.8 kilometres. A sequence, the formula is A plus n minus 1 times d. A is the number we start with, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And d is how many we add on each time, so we've added this extra 3. The pattern is 88, so we want to know when 4 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 3 equals 88. So the opposite of add 4 is subtract 4. Opposite of multiply by 3 is to divide by 3. And the opposite of subtract 1 is to add 1. So 29. Here we can put our answer 4 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 3. P to Q, the graph paper, there's P. To get to Q, it's been rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Then we've just got to guess at the centre of rotation, so let's try here. Too low, too far across, bingo. So it's at 0, 0. And then we want to translate P 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our new shape. So area of a rectangle, length times width. Area of a circle is pi r squared, so pi times 3 squared. The diameter is 6, so the radius is just 3. .88, sorry. But we've got 2 of those, so we're going to multiply this by 2. So that means the circles are 56.54866776, and they've been cut out, so we're going to subtract them from our rectangles. So 240 subtract our answer is 183.45133322. If we want to round to the nearest centimetre, there's our cut off, it's just 183. Right, Kim's paid $15 for each of 12 boxes. So he's paid out $180. There were 12 drinks in each box, so the number of drinks he's got, 12 boxes of 12 is 144. Now he sells 3/4, so 3/4 of 144 is 108, so he's got 36 left. And he sells them at $1.50 each, so 180 at $1.50 each, sorry, 108. $108 drinks at $1.50 each makes $162. He makes a profit of 15%, so he spent 180, but he's going to make 115%. £207. So by the end of the day he needs £207. So far he's got 162. So 207 minus 162 is 45. And he's got 36 bottles left drinks left to sell. So the $45 needs to be divided by the 36 drinks to get the price for one drink. So $1.25. That's our answer line, $1.25. Probability to get a 6 is 0.1, so to not get a 6 is the remaining 0.9. If you do it 50 times, each time probability of getting a 6 is 0.1, so the total number of times you can expect is 5. 252, the product of 5 factors is 2 squared multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 7. Why is a product of its prime factors? Well, 240 we know is 2 to the 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 252 we've just said is 2 squared multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 7. So y is going to be 2 to the power 4 add 2 is 6. 3 to the power, it's a hidden 1. 1 add 2 is 3. 5, 7. Another way we could do this is 240 times 252 on the calculator. Shift, factorise, and we should get the same answer.